the O-ring now. Oh, it messed up real bad. Ooh, wait, man. Golly. You see the gears, everything. Spider gears, all that. Golly. What am I gonna do? I'm back, and I got bad news. Yeah, I need them buttons. Yeah, I need a longer one.
No, you're gonna need the other.
And a fatter one.
The dry shaft on it.
What?
This.
Nah, I'm gonna get a bigger bolt and have a nut.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna have a nut on the back end. I gotta get it longer.
Okay.
And then, yeah.
So just longer?
Yeah.
Just longer? And the nut?
Yeah, longer with the nut. Yeah, that's about the right, that's a good size. Yeah, that is a good size.
It just needs to be longer?
Yeah. You think it could go fatter?
Nah, because it's not gonna fit on the bushes.
It ain't gonna go in there? Okay. Yeah, so just give me a grade A, a little bit longer with the nut.
Yeah.
Be good.
And another one, just like that one.
And another what?
Another bolt for the caliper.
Oh yeah, and another one, boy, for the calipers. Man, y'all done ran into a caliper problem, man. I just sold the calipers I had, thinking that the ones I got will fit. Come to find out they don't fit. So what I'm gonna do is take the emergency brake off. I think that's gonna work. We're gonna try and see if that works, see if that emergency brake get everything fixed. Cause right now it's hitting, what is hitting? Yeah, when I try to get that rotor on there, it's hitting it. It ain't going all the way up on there, man. If it wasn't so heavy, I'll show you. There it is. But anyway, it ain't going all the way on there because it is. So they gonna pull this off and see if that make it go on here to fit up on there correctly. You hear me? So y'all go on here and stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? If you got room, man, make room for me. Look out.
If we put them like that, we might be able to get some.
See? Hey, if I about to go like that, if I go the other way, it won't go all the way on. Pinch it. So I need a duplicate of this, but this for the brake caliper. Then I'm gonna use 3 of these for the drive shaft. Then I need the bolts to go on. But they're stronger. I need the strongest. I'm in the strong. This here going on my drive shaft, and I'm gonna be yanking on it. Yeah. And you say they ain't got grade A in this size?
Not us.
Not y'all? Okay. I'm gonna make these work.
Grade A for that.
Okay, grade A washers. Okay. Well, hey, as long as I got some. Yeah, do all of them. I'm gonna have some grade A, a good grade A washer. That'll work. Let me see. Yeah, I hope this work, man. This one looks fatter, but it ain't.
Try and screw real quick. Not real quick.
Nah, it look right.
This one's all right?
Yeah. Okay. Man. I should be ready to go. I should be good to go. Yeah, right, I'm gonna tick it up. Ooh, it's gonna go there, y'all. You on my YouTube channel, man?
Yeah, YouTube channel?
Yeah. Let me get it for you. Look out, Race. Look out.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.